Will you all able to see my screen? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm trying to run the project. So you guys are seeing everything here as a product, right? You are adding everything and you are uploading image and everything, right? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm planning to do, I want to build this UI with a different structure. Okay. Right now, what happened? You are creating so many views with the HTML with the different stuff, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring all the structure in one place. 1 second.
Sir, are you shared your screen?
Yes, he is already shared.
Okay, okay.
మీకు ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చి వాడు ఏదైనా కొంచెం అనిపించి మీరు చేసుకుని పూర్తిగా సపోర్ట్ చేయలేదు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి కొంచెం వాడు అనిపిస్తే క్లియర్.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do,
ట్రై చేసి ఏం చేస్తారు నాకు తెలియదు, నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఆ మాట చెప్పారు.
I create a folder.
చెప్పారు
Okay, name called shared.
ఎంతవరకు కరెక్ట్ ఏమని నాకు తెలియదు.
Understand?
అంతే.
In the shared, I'm going to create one more layout.cshtml view. There, I'm going to say in MVC, tracer pages, layout pages, simply put add layout, and then click add. Okay, and click add. I'm not able to connect with the system. Kishore Patil. Okay.
Yeah, sir, just join. Hi, sir, just join. Actually,
గుర్తువాడికి చేస్తాడు మంచిగా. తర్వాత పోయా మా అన్నయ్యను మా అన్నయ్య ఇస్తాను తర్వాత ఏదో ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత.
Correction. No. Here my friend is sitting, so that is why. Don't worry. Right click, add. new item. There you see razor layout. And this should be layout.cshtml. Click add. A layout file is created or not? Say yes or no. Everyone. Everyone say yes or no. The layout
Yes.
file is created.
Created.
Now what I'm planning to do in my index, I'm removing everything. Okay. I'm copying this link, everything. Okay, I'm cut here. Go to my layout.cshtml. What I'm doing here, I'm adding so that my bootstrap body, nothing will change. Now in the render body, it automatically call the index.cshtml. So do I need this HTML element? I'm removing. I'm simply removing my body and HTML element. Okay. And then I am building the project. When I run it, you see there was no change will happen. Got it? Page is loaded or not? Yes
Yes.
or no, everyone? But page is not properly applied with the CSS.
Correct.
Right? So let us do some application of CSS. So what you need to do here is you scroll down, you create a container. What is your container? Div. Class container. Right? Div class row. And here you say div class h1 and simply say @view back to take this view back dot title. Okay. And then this title view back, you need to get from the index of controller. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yes.
So you go to your product controller. In the index action method, you simply build equal to list product. Clear my point? What you're doing? List product. So what is the purpose of UBack? UBack is basically transfer data from controller action method to your view. Clear my point? So you got the title? Say yes or no? Say yes
Yes.
or no. And then what I'm planning to do, I am bringing this render body within this row. Here I'm cut end paste. And then I'm going to say here class equal to, okay? Everybody clear? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Once I done that, now what I want to do, this index HTML, you go back, you remove these containers. You don't need a container. Okay. Simply build the logics. And then you put Control A, KD. Alignment is proper. Say, sir, no, alignment is proper or not? Do you have
Yes.
any HTML in this page right now? Anybody seeing HTML tags, head and body here?
No.
No.
If you run this, you got the what, why it is not working? Hmm? Okay, understood. Here, I need to use at layout equal to, I have to say the layout. What is the layout? What is the path of layout? Can anyone tell me?
Shared folders
It's
within
view
the view.
shared folder.
Share
Underscore layout to see
underscore layout dot CS HTML. Okay, so you need to specify the layout. I forgot this slide. See, it will automatically create, but I don't want to create like that. I want to build everything line by line of code. So that is the reason we are here.
So it is like for every page we are telling that we are going to call common layout, right?
Absolutely correct.
Okay.
Now see what is that.
I think path.
Path is not correct.
Views, right?
Right.
Now you see, you got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Where this list product coming from?
In from layout.
Come on,
From
guys.
view back,
Everybody else.
controller action method from view back.
Arjit and Sachin only talking. What about Rajini, Kishore, Yoganand, Sindhu, Ranjit? You guys has to speak. Where this list products are coming from?
From the view layout.
Absolutely. From the view layout, you are getting this list product. And then new product and then product category. So if you look into here, your code is clean or not. You write only the respective page required information here. You are not writing anything else, right? Is it good or wrong?
This is good.
Come again?
I mean, this is good. Yeah.
This is good, right? Now, one more thing I want to do is, I want to create some space in the layout. So how to create a space in the layout? Basically here, I say empty-4. And then I want my header should be center aligned. Text-center. Clear my point? Now, if you run it, See, I'm planning Monday onwards Angular. Okay. This week we'll complete everything. .NET related. Now you see there is a space. Say yes or no?
Yes.
And then you will have a button. Then you will have this. But button, it is showing for the entire stuff. So what I will do, go to the container of index in the row. Here you say, create a column, div, class, call hyphen, md hyphen 3. Okay. And then call hyphen, sm hyphen 3. Call hyphen, lg hyphen 3. What is LG, ma?
For large device.
Large device. And then you copy this stuff, cut it, paste. Now try to run it.
Now it is responsive.
Now it is
Responsive already.
absolutely responsive. Now you see, it looks beautiful
Yes.
compared to earlier.
Yes.
Say sir.
Yes.
And then if you see here, scroll down, it is responsive.
Hmm.
Clear my point?
Yes.
This is how the responsiveness will be worked and created the product. Anybody have any questions so far? Anybody have any questions? Arjit, Sachin, Kishore. I think Rajini is in office meeting. Somebody else?
No, it is clear.
Everybody clear, right? Now the
Right.
next topic is, I completed my index. Now what is the next step? I copy the same layout. Go to my edit, create.cshtml. Here, I'm going to write a logic inside this and say, I don't want this. I don't want this. Can I build the same thing? Say yes or no?
Yes.
And then come back to the HTML. Do you need a create product info here? Header, body, all these things.
No.
You take from here to till here. Delete. Minimize this div, minimize the form. Rest of the things you delete it. And Control A, K, D. Right? And then save all. Try to run it.
No, one thing is required. That is the title.
Coming. Let's see.
Okay.
When you click new product, see, already it is there. Okay. Arjit,
Yes.
why? Because we are already manually does that. You see here.
Okay. Okay.
Or you got my point. So you no need to do
Mhm.
here. So
Yeah.
leave.
Yeah. It is already there.
It's already there. So now multiform is working for create. Same way you go to your edit. Same way you add everything. Paste. Now what I'm going to do, I'm cut this layout. Paste here. And then I am deleting from here to here to here. Okay. And then form. I remove everything. Okay. Save. Control A, K, D. Then save all, build it. Okay, Rashmi. When you run it, oh, you see, you got the data. Edit product is coming. Is there any
Yes.
change happened?
Yes.
Say, sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
no change happened, right? When you click reset, it will go back. Okay. So now in the edit, we never completed the reset. Where is that reset? The reset, you say ASP hyphen controller equal to product ASP hyphen action equal to index. Am I right? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Now save all, run this.
But reset purpose should be to clear the form data, right? Instead of redirecting to index page.
See, if you're going here, you don't want to make any changes. When you click reset, it will come back.
Okay.
Or you got my point? Same way, if you go here, if you don't want to create, you want to click a reset. Understand?
Hmm.
So when you click a reset, what you need to do? The form data, ASP controller index action method, everything is working.
Hmm.
But why it is not going back?
Sir, when we click on reset, it should clear the data, right? What is entered in. So when you click on reset button, it should clear the data, right? In the fields.
No,
What
no,
we
no,
need.
no. Reset button, it will be created. I have to go for a back. Okay.
Okay.
Sunny garu, Sunny garu.
Now you see, go for a new product. Back to list, coming back. New product. You say Angular course. Something like that. You select fridge chosen. I say 35,000, something like that. Submit. See, it's added or not? It's added or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Then you click on edit. You see the fridge way, what I selected, it is there. You click on mobile, upload. To show tiles. To create a something like this, and then to come back, go ahead and click submit. See, image is modified or not? Say yes or no. And it has been changed to mobile. Everybody clear? So functionality wise, no break. Everybody clear? How to
Yes.
make the changes? Now, tomorrow, if you need to add any product or any view in this particular controller, you can add. While adding that, while creating a view, you can select the shared layout. You no need to write anything. Clear my point?
Yes.
And one more thing, sir. In my index.cshtml, do I need this for every page? Tell me,
No.
is it a good practice?
No.
So what I'm going to do, in the solution, right click, add new item.
Question.
See, there is a name called view imports. There is a name called view import. Razor view import. Are you see here?
Yes.
Yes.
Click add. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to my index.cshtml. I cut this tag helper and everything. Okay, paste it here. Okay, and go back to my create.cshtml. Same way I'm removing this. But this is common to all the pages. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
And again, I'm going to my edit. This is also common. Right? Say yes or no, everybody.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now the code is very clean.
Mm.
Is my code is clean or not?
It's
Yes,
clean.
sir.
Come again.
It's clean now.
It's clean. Now build it. Your functionality will not at all change. You see here. That is the beauty of ASP.NET.
Is this like view underscore v start dot cshtml?
Yes. Now click
Got
on
it.
new product. You got the product, view mobile. I say XXY. I say television, choose the file. Basically, it has to throw error, right? As per my understanding, it's supposed to throw an error, right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
But it is not throwing error. Why? Can anyone tell me why?
Sorry, what's supposed to throw the error here?
It's supposed to throw an error, but it is not throwing an error. Now you see. It is adding. Why? Because as part of the cycle, whenever you call a view, first my view import will be get triggered. Clear my point? So
Yes.
this is how it is. MS Paint. First one, which one will be the layout? Which layout CSHTML will call? Underscore view imports dot CSHTML will be called. Got my point? And then it internally call your functional page. What is your functional page?
Layout dot.
Index.cshtml. Within the index.cshtml, you are calling the layout page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is not outside, right?
Hmm.
So this is how the flow will happen. Clear my point?
Yes.
So this is how your flow will happen. What is that? What is that?
View inputs in this
Underscore
layout.
layout dot
Yes,
CSS. Or you got my point? The flow will be something like this. You go here, connect, you go here, connect, and that will be get rendered. This is one of the interview question. If a real technical person will definitely raise this technical question saying that, can you tell me which CSS/HTML will be get invoked? What is your answer? What is your answer?
It should call view import.cshtml first.
It will call view import.cshtml, and then it will call the corresponding controller action view, and then it will call the layout.cshtml. Correct? Am I correct or wrong?
Yes.
We can also say that it's a view life cycle. View life cycle.
Come again?
Sorry, we can say like it's a view life cycle.
Yes. We can say it is a view life cycle. Very good. Thanks. You
And-
understand my point? Now, sir, suppose I create another folder called another folder name. I create another folder name saying that order. Okay. And I am moving this view import to order. Now what will happen? We'll see. Will it work? Will it work or not?
No,
Why?
because it should be in the shared folder.
No. Listen here. What is the error you are getting? You read the error.
Okay.
Assembly reference is missing.
Okay. Yeah.
View product edit page. View product CSS/HTML file.
Mm.
Assembly reference is missing because you moved the view to order.
Mm.
Am I right? Now I am trying to move to shared. Okay. Then you try to build it. Still it is having an issue. Understand my point?
Mm.
But if I move it to product controller page, product view, it will work. Build, it will take the reference. See, it is taking the reference or not?
Yes.
Why?
Defined in
Because
view import.
within the product folder.
Whenever the view import should be used independently, you need to add the corresponding. Instead, people will do put everything in the top level. Understand my point?
Mm.
The main reason I explained is why I am keeping here. You understand my point?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
under the view folder, anywhere you can use this view import. Tomorrow you want to add a few more models, or tomorrow you want to include a lot of other attributes or other namespaces, you can use it. Right? Ranjit? Sachin?
Yes.
So when you are developing, when you are go through the code, you need to take care of this also. If you have become a developer, or if you have become a tech lead, or if you have become a project lead or manager, this is how you have to segregate your code. The moment you segregate the code, will the project structure is look like a proper manner? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
You don't need a data, remove. See, if you look into here, the scaffold also not required. If you look into the project, you got a proper structure. All the things, whatever we discussed is there or not? And this pages also you don't need, it is generated today. Now, if you build the project, you see your project is properly structured. Yoganand, we did this in the morning batch. Yoganand,
Yes, sir.
we did this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today.
So
Tomorrow,
I have one question.
please.
My question is, if there are some few other modules,
Hmm.
then here we are using one layout. If
Hmm.
we need to use some different layout, so can we create multiple layouts or can we use that layouts accordingly?
You can create a number of layouts and call it.
Yes. Okay.
See, instead
And
of you create underscore layout, you create underscore layout 1.cs HTML.
or
Okay.
any other specific name.
Any name. For example,
Yeah.
product module.cs HTML.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And that in the create, you go here, change product model.cs HTML.
Yes.
Once you've done that, that corresponding layout will be called.
Mm.
Clear my point?
Yes.
Anybody have any questions?
Sir,
Ultimately, as per the .NET views, Razor views, it will basically look to for corresponding folder, controller folder or shared folder. Or you got my point? Either you can create a layout. Suppose if you want to call the CSHTML of product folder, you need to have layout within this folder. Or you have to maintain in share folder. You should not maintain in order folder. You see here, I am moving to order folder. Now try to run it.
It will not work.
What it is saying, can anyone read this?
Yes.
Not locate the shared location.
The path is not
Yeah.
fine.
Come again?
Incorrect path.
Path is not correct.
Correct path.
Invalid operation, the path is not correct. Why? Because whenever you are looking for a layout file, it always look for share folder.
Hmm.
Sir, let me change the share folder to order. What will happen?
Yeah.
Because it is under order, right?
Yes.
It will work. Because you got the layout page. Under order, you are having a layout page, right?
Hmm.
No. They are not changed the engine. I thought they would have changed it. They never done it. They always look for shared only.
Shared folder.
Okay. This is also one of the entry
Standard
questions.
practice.
Simply you have to go back, move here, change it to shared. Save all, run. Now tell me, did you land all the concept in ASP.NET MVC core for building this project in 15-20 days?
Yes.
Did you cover all the interview questions in this project? One CRUD operation can help you to understand almost every concept in ASP.NET MVC core. How many of you agree with this point? How many of you agree with this point? Rajni, Sachin, Yogana?
Yes, sir. But I do have a question, sir. Sir,
Yes.
how about exception handling, sir? Because exception handling is also
I
part.
will come. I will come. Exception handling, I'm going to cover in APIs.
Okay.
If I cover everything here, you don't know anything in API.
Okay.
Exception handling alone, keep it aside.
Okay.
Any other thing?
Yes.
So tomorrow, what we are going to do? We discussed about categories and products, right? We are going to play more on this area. Category and product model and product category model, right? So we are going to play and create a relationship and see that how it will work. Okay. Once that has been done, that relationship also done, I think we are done. That exception model, Rajni, I will definitely help you to explain in API.
Sure. Sure.
And two more things are pending. That is, I don't know, whenever you will cover. That is the thing is how to call the store procedure and views.
Hey, that and all outdated, man. Nobody is doing right now.
Now, if any complex queries are there, then how can we handle through
No,
links?
there was no complex query. Everything you have to go with the entity framework with an object, which I already 2 days back I explained.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yep, for DB context.
Come again?
Using DB entity framework for DB context.
Yes, everything you have to get a DB context, you have to write a link query, you have to do a look through of the data model.
Just run the
No,
migrations and all.
yes, with the help of migrations and all. Nobody right now writing store procedures and calling views. That era is gone, Archit.
but the
Even
thing is
initial
that
stage of my this shift, I've been very pathetic to understand why these people are not writing store procedure and all. But this is directly, see, what they are doing is, if you have 2 or 3 tables, they're getting everything as an object and they're manipulating in the front end code itself. That is more
yeah,
faster than writing store procedure.
no, but the thing is that sometime where we were using the time table for global time table, local time table that are
No,
very useful for that, and
that
we
logic
would
and all,
use
you have
in
to
the
write logic
profession.
in C# code.
Mm-hmm. So
You
how can
need
we
to,
manage that type of complex query through link queue?
you can do that.
Yeah, we can do that. The group by is use that, but it is too much difficult now. I think so.
No, no, no. Right now, everything is an independent service, right? Nobody is writing that much of complexity, right? All the functionality has been moved into pieces, right, as part of microservice.
Okay. In
See,
microservices
when you
concept,
write a
we
store
get that.
procedure,
Mm-hmm.
let's give an example. I will give you an example. You think in this way. I have
Mm-hmm.
orders,
Mm-hmm.
I have products, I have
Mm-hmm.
users. I want to create a store procedure to get, let's say, Narendra has choose the 10 products with a cost of X amount, and that will make an order for him, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is the logic you want to build, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that time you will make a store procedure, right?
Yes.
But here, if you look into microservice, product is a separate service,
Mm-hmm.
order is a separate service, user is a separate service, right?
Mm-hmm.
So each independent service has an independent databases, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first, what
Each independent databases or each independent table?
independent databases, not table.
Okay.
They are creating order database, they are creating a product database, they are creating a user database independently,
Okay.
not table. Every
Mm-hmm.
microservices will have an independent database.
Okay.
Did you
Then
attend?
how can we? Yeah. Then how can we relate the foreign key primary key
No
combination
foreign
between?
key, primary key. Within the product, you want to make any 2 or 3 tables with the product category and all, you have to create a foreign key and primary key. It's a service-based architecture.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, order is expecting a product ID.
Mm-hmm.
Order is expecting a user ID.
Mm-hmm.
For example, you are passing the API with the list of product IDs and list of user IDs. Based on that product ID, product object is holding your cost of each product. Now order will receive all the things and manipulate it, go and store it in the DB as an independent record. Understand my point?
Yeah.
Whenever you pass the order ID, that order ID will return your response object in such a way that get the list of products with the cost, and that cost will be shown back to an object back to the user. That era was gone. What you are talking here is you write a store procedure, you will pass as a single data set, right?
Yes.
That is gone.
Okay.
Nowadays, this is the trend.
So individual object we need to create, and accordingly we have to merge them
Absolutely
in,
correct.
in Angular or any front end technology.
Absolutely correct.
Okay. Okay, we will learn it in microservices, right?
Yeah, that is the concept of microservices. Otherwise, there is no concept
Okay.
called microservice.
Okay, the individual database will be there, not a table, lots of. Actually, we were using the lots of table within a one database.
See, tomorrow,
Yeah.
if a particular module or got failed, your entire application will go down. Assume there is a product module which you don't want to process. What do you
Yeah.
To avoid such situation, only people are using microservices.
Okay,
If
got it.
clubbing everything into a single database, what is the point of creating a different microservices? You can have it in a same front-end application also, right?
Yeah.
Then that architecture itself a monolithic architecture.
Yeah, that's why microservices comes into the picture. Okay.
Now you understand, right?
Yeah.
Rajini, you understand? Kishore?
Yes. In microservices structure, actually, it's easy to maintain downtime also.
Yes.
Because if one service is down, the other services we can't stop. Just single service can down and just upload and all.
That's it. It depends on which service can have more dependencies. You can stop the services.
Yeah.
Clear my point? Yoganand?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. We'll talk tomorrow. Those who are interested, 10:30. There is 10 o'clock. There is a demo for new batch. You can join, feel free. But I need Sindhu, Ranjit. You are halfway through the session, right? Sindhu and Ranjit.
Yeah,
So you guys can join.
sure, sir.
Okay.
Kishore Patil, you three can join in that 10 o'clock session. Thank you. We'll meet at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir.
Sir, can you share drive link? Till now we didn't receive the link of drive.
Sachin Trivedi, right?
Yeah.
Do one thing. Tomorrow morning, send me your mail ID.
Sure.
I will share it.
Okay, sure, fine.
Thank you.
So,
Bye.
Thank
10
you.
o'clock, right? And Narendra Garu?